A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, B Ward Standard 2nd. Subject English Grammar. Topic Articles a and the. Articles and adjectives a and the are usually called articles. The articles, there are three types of articles: a and the. The articles a is used before the nouns beginning with consonants. The articles an is used before the words beginning with vowels a, e, I, o, u and with nouns. A we used before a word that starts with a consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like, for example, a blue bird, a nice man, a wonderful dinner. Now, an. We use an before a word that starts with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, like an apple, an egg, and insects. So here a, e, I is the vowel. Now look this example, student. This is a flower. This is an orange. A cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. Articles a an used to introduce a singular noun, that is a stall. There is an umbrella with on the stall. Articles a and an are used to a thing in general. For example, article the used to introduce plural nouns. A and the. Now look here, students. Vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and remaining are consonants. Now here, students, we use A and N for person, animal, place or thing. Now, used with nouns that begin with consonants. Like, see, look the balloons, okay? And these are the consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo, an umbrella, an octopus, because O is vowel, an ink bottle, an elephant. This is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. So these are the example, students. Now let's again revise. Today we will learn about articles a, an. Now here, an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Now an. So here are some examples, students. Apple, elephant, ice cream, orange, umbrella. So the first letter of these words are vowels like a, e, I, o, u. So here we use article an. Okay. Now I hope you understood, students. Now here is given where we use a. We use a in consonants like a star, book, a child, a woman. So S, B, C, W, these are the consonants. Now here, some more example over here, students. Use of the. Okay. Now where we use the. So let's look, students. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. The is used with singular and plural noun. And the is used when we use the same noun second time. Okay. Now some example over here, students. The sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the dogs, the kids, the books. Okay. Now here, students, at the end of this lesson, now I hope you understood all the concepts. So let's revise how to use a or an before a given word. Identify the use of a or an and the before a given word. Now look here, students, some exercises given here. Now I hope you understood the lesson and what is the concept of that lesson. Now you have to solve these exercises, okay? Given exercises. Now let's solve few examples. Write a or an before the following naming words, okay? So first example, arm. So here arm, in this word the first letter is a and a is a vowel. So what comes here? Which article will come here? Here will come an. Okay, girl. So in girl the first letter of the girl is G. Consonants. Which article will come here? A. Yes. Now you say the example, students. Now here in the which word it is? Come on, read it.
Artist.
In artist, the first letter of artist is what?
A.
Vowel or consonants?
Vowel.
Very good. So which article will come here?
An.
Yes, an. Okay. So here, students, in artist, what come here?
An.
Yes, and very good. Now here, read it
Lion.
and tell me the answer. A or an?
A.
Yes, A.
Fox.
Yes. Now tell me the answer.
A.
Yes, A. This one?
Peacock. A.
Yes, a peacock. Okay. So a peacock. So like that you have to solve these exercises and some more exercises over here. Now this is exercise number 3 and 4 and this is exercise number 5 and this is exercise number 6. So all these exercises you have to solve in your grammar workbook, and I hope you understood all the concepts. And bye bye, students, and have a nice day, students.
Have a nice day, Miss.